Alright, I bought some parts for the F600 4x4 off of a gentleman from one of the medium duty truck groups I belong to. So I'll show you guys what I picked up. I haven't taken anything out of the box yet, I've just opened it, that's it. This is the driver's side footwell vent. Yep, finished breaking that. Maybe this is fixable, maybe not. But I don't think this is going to matter because it looks like this can separate, which is fine. Looks like that should be able to come apart. That's already broken, so if I break it some more, it's no big deal. Because this door on mine, this handle's broken off. So I'll see if I can finish tearing this. Oh yeah. Yeah, that ought to be able to finish coming apart. There we go. So, don't really care too much about that. So at least I got this, and the door is still one piece. That's what I was after anyways. Not a total loss, so mounting screws. Alright. the O and the D for the HUD letters. F and R. That's what the truck was. And then headlight buckets. Or bezels, I should say. So I've got another set of these now. It's got a dent. These always get dents in them. Always. Alright, with the truck badges, they've got these studs sticking up the back, non-threaded. Same thing with the letters. They've got studs that stick out the back that are not threaded. Well, there's holes drilled into the hood and the cowl where these go, and there is a rubber bushing that you slide into the hole, and then the letters get pressed into it, or the badges get pressed into them. And they do come out. It's just taking a good paint scraper and a small standard screwdriver and just slowly prying them off, and then they'll pop out. So you don't have to worry about rusty threaded studs or nuts or anything else. They just push in and the rubber bushing holds them. And then I'm finally getting around to this about 3 months after the fact. But some of you guys know, some of you don't. Zane from Hodgepodge Dodge Garage sent me some stickers. Also sent me a letter. But Zane and I are both subscribers and followers of each other, and we try to talk once a week on the phone when we can about various things. Mostly it's trucks and heavy equipment. But just want to say thanks for the stickers. Appreciate it. Maybe one day I'll eventually get stickers made, but For now, it's just videos. So I'm talking to another guy right now about getting some more parts. He's going to be checking on what he has available, and we're going to see if we can strike a deal or not. This guy is actually kind of local to me. It's a little bit of a drive, but he's going to shoot me a number on some of the stuff I'm looking for, and we're going to go from there. And then I've got some more parts coming for the Hydro Boost swap for the F600 4x4. Finally found some of the hydraulic fittings I need to make that happen, which is why I haven't installed that onto the truck. So if those are the appropriate fittings I need, then that's going to get installed onto the truck. The pressure hose for it made, and start running brake lines, get that thing mobile again. Sorry about the long time periods between posts. YouTube is not my day-to-day career. It's not how I make money. I have a regular career I go to every day, and that's been eating up a lot of my time. So again, apologize for the long time frames in between posts, but it is what it is. For those of you that stick around and deal with that, thank you, I do appreciate it. So hopefully one of the next upcoming videos, it's either going to be installing some of this stuff onto the truck. It's going to be installing the Hydro Boost system onto the truck, doing the wiring for the Hydro Boost system, maybe getting some more of the fine details on the flatbed done, the all the light buckets and the other marker light brackets for the flatbed. But we'll just see how work goes and see how the weather goes. So thanks for watching, everybody. I do appreciate it.